For years, we were told some jobs can't be replaced by AI. Jobs that require years of education, jobs that need empathy, judgment, and human touch, especially the job of doctors. Even if you go to Google and search now, irreplaceable AI jobs, the doctor will come on the first place. But today, that belief has been shattered. In China, the world's first fully AI powered hospital has just opened its doors. And it starts with robot doctors, not assistants, not helpers. Actual replacement for human doctors, capable of diagnosing and treating 3,000 patients every single day. Medicine was supposed to be the lost safe zone. They said AI can replace cashiers, drivers, even lawyers, but never doctors. Why? Because diagnosing a human being was believed to require years of training, intuition, and emotional intelligence. Yet here we are, watching machines do it faster, more accurately, and even without getting tired. These AI doctors are not science fiction. They use massive databases of medical records, advanced imaging analysis, and real time monitoring to detect illness. But how do they work? They listen to your symptoms and scan your medical history in seconds. They run diagnostic algorithms trained on millions of past cases. They instantly provide a treatment plan. No waiting for lab reports, no back and forth. And they don't stop there. They follow up on your recovery automatically. In many places, the average patient waits weeks and hours just to see a doctor. Now, this AI can see thousands a day with zero fatigue, no breaks, and no bias. It doesn't get stressed during emergencies. It doesn't forget details. It doesn't need 8 hours of sleep. This is not just a technology, it's disruption. Human doctors once believed their role was untouchable. Now, some are wondering if they will ever have a role in 20 years. If a robot can diagnose faster, treat better, and handle more patients, what happens to the people who spent a decade in medical school? Of course, medicine is more than data. It is comfort. It is in the hand you hold during a bad diagnosis. It is the reassurance. You are not just another case file. And that's where the debate begins. Can AI ever replace that? The truth is, AI has already crossed the line we thought was impossible. The job we thought was irreplaceable is no longer safe. And if doctors can be replaced, who is next? They told us some jobs were safe forever, but forever just ended. For years, another job was considered untouchable by AI farming. Some people think they can do agriculture if every job's fade away. Agriculture was seen as a purely human craft, the knowledge of seasons, soil, and crops passed down for generations. A robot can't grow food, they said, and you can't replace the instance of a farmer, they said. But today, technology is already proving they were completely wrong. Smart farming using AI is already here. IoT sensors buried in the soil can measure moisture, pH levels, and nutrient content in real time. They send that data to AI systems that decide exactly when and how much to water. Autonomous tractors and harvesters can plow, plant, and harvest crops without a single human touch. Drones can entire fields in minutes, identifying pest diseases or areas that need fertilizer. Even livestock farming is changing. AI powered cameras and wearable sensors track animal health and behavior 24 bar 7. In this world, no industry is safe from AI and automation anymore. After seeing doctors and farmers, two jobs once thought irreplaceable, partially or fully replaced. The big question is what's left? Experts say the job safest from AI in the coming decades will be those that require deep human creativity, like artists, storytellers, and innovators. Complex human relationships, like therapists, negotiators, and community leaders. Hands of craftsmanship, specialized traits where each piece is unique. Ethical decision making, leaders making high stakes calls that can't be reduced on data. But here is the truth, even these are not 100% safe. AI is improving faster that we can predict. The only truly irreplaceable skill in the future may be the ability to keep adapting to AI or learning AI. If you are a student or if you are a person who is working in any other departments but interested about AI, make sure you subscribe my channel. In this channel, I'll be posting high quality content about AI, AI courses, AI trends, and everything.